Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, bring you a 2009 Nissan Cube. This is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Nissan Cube. Start up, show the engine, as well as show a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. I'm at Brandon Reed's Auto World in Monroe, North Carolina. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. This also has a smart key access system with the keys in your pocket. All you gotta do is press this black button. It's unlocked right now. Simple as that. Again, you just have the key on you. Put your foot on the brake. Push button ignition. It's got 38,820 miles. It's got a leather wrapped steering wheel. Alright, on the hazards, headlights, automatic driver's side window, and we'll check out the exterior. Does have rear parking assist. And we'll go ahead and pop the hood and the fuel cap while we're at it. It's got a 1.8 liter inline 4-cylinder. Soft cloth padding. Power windows, locks, mirrors. It's a manual driver's seat. It's got a real nice soft touch to it. Very comfortable. Power mirror controls. Tilt steering wheel. And the characteristic water ripple ceiling. So let's go ahead and see how it sounds. Not bad. climate control. Simple to use. Defrost, different modes. This one comes equipped with the optional Rockford Fosgate sound system. Also has auxiliary input. Hands-free phone. Volume controls and cruise control on the steering wheel. Hands-free telephone.
After the beep, please say a command or help.
It's very nicely equipped. And we'll go ahead and shut it down. Now let's move on to the rest of the vehicle. Very roomy rear seat. Soft seat back here as well. It's got a flat floorboard too. Got the keyless button here. Opens wide. Just the Rockford Fosgate sub. Definitely has a nice sound to it. Nice cargo well.
Like this, but tomorrow that's just right now, 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 now. Don't stop the roof from
It's a manual passenger seat. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the in-depth tour on the 2009 Nissan Cube. Definitely a unique vehicle. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care guys.